Just a little update video on where we at right now. So y'all already know, right? We will be boosting the single cam for sure. So what came in so far, we already had the turbo. I've been having this for about like a couple of months now. Already had the wastegate, used the wastegate on my last setup. And this is the screamer pipe I got from Go Auto Works. I'm sorry. I take that back. I got this made from Go Power up there in Victorville. I don't know if that place still around now, but yeah, they made that for me. And this what came. We going cast. This is I forgot what company this. Oh, G Plus. Anybody want to know the name of this? Clear cam gear cover. And this is the AC Racing, AC Tech. Well, AC. I forgot what the shit stand for though, but yeah, that's their little logo. AC, dope ass cam gear, made in the US too. So that's a plus. But yeah, I'm gonna go over eventually. Oh yeah, and my spark plugs came. My racing spark plugs. And we gonna do this build while we doing the swap. We gonna do this build cheaply as possible. Like this shit should be called like Project Cheap. But yeah, basically I'm gonna show y'all how to go turbo for super cheap, like less than 2,500 easy. I say to go boost for real. But the right way though, the right way. When this manifold came, right, I was checking it out. I even seen another video of this manifold not having threads to hold the turbine housing on, and I was like, oh shit, let me check mine. But yeah, mine came with threads. But look, the cam gear was $40. This was like, I think, $45. Turbo $100. Custom made like $60. Wastegate, roughly $60. Spark plugs was like $35. Manifold was $50. I was looking around and I kept searching. It was going from, I went from like 70 all the way to like 50. And yeah. So we went with the cheapest manifold. But check this out. When this shit got here, right? I knew it was cheap, but I was like, fuck, like, let me just expect all the runners. I'm looking, right? Hold on. Let me cut the light on real quick. Y'all gotta see this shit. I'm looking, right? And I'm having to check through the runners. And I see this big ass booger. Look at this shit, bro. Like, I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I'm like, what the fuck is this? Like, I heard of, cheap, but come on, my boy. Like, what it do? And look at this runner right here. Like, look how terrible that is. Like, dude, like, really? It's gonna work, but before I throw this on, I really, really want to get this cut out, like, for real. This is horrible, like, for real. I was like, if I was on quality control, I would have been like, hey, dude, I know we ain't selling this shit, though. I would have been like, we really, I'm sick right now, I'm sorry, but I would have been like, we really letting this shit go out the factory like this? My glove box came. I gotta I'm gonna replace that. Brand new OEM one. And we are gonna be cleaning the block today. And the head, because my white head got here. So let's go to the garage and check it out. Here's the Rex chilling. Still gotta finish the knuckles. But bam, here we go. Booyah. Here's the white head. Already got my NPC oil cap on it. And yeah, gotta take the spark plugs out of this boy, and booyah. So we're gonna spray this down. So let's move this out the way. Let me set y'all up and get cracking. Or some easy off. This and easy off is the same shit. It's just different name. But this right here, you want your man. If you want to strip some, some dirt off anything, use this. And be careful, like, you know, don't get it on your hands, because this shit will have your hands looking like a baby's new ass, like for real. It strips all the dirt off. So we just gonna shoot it completely and then rinse it off. Let's go get the hose. Ooh. Let's go outside and I can show y'all how good I cleaned the hatch. Can't do nothing without these, right? And oh yeah, I'm super late. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to y'all. Hope y'all had a real good Christmas, real good New Year's. Hope y'all didn't do anything crazy, you know, because a lot of people do. Let me see, is my door open? No, it is not open. So booyah, I cleaned her. If you guys would have seen it, how it was at first, oh my gosh, dude, it was horrible. I can't even see how a person would even let a car get this dirty, even if it was just sitting. Like, it was terrible. But yeah, she looked decent now. Already got the new glove box, and the windshield wiper thing came broken, but I may replace that, I may not, because there's no use for it. I will never use it. But anyway, everything else works, and I can't seem like the steering wheel adjustment, the piece that go up and down. I don't know if this car has it. I don't know. Anybody correct me in the comments, but yeah, like, I don't feel it at all. Like, it's not here like on my CRX. Somewhat clean. I may take it to the car wash and, you know, use their vacuum cleaners, because it's way stronger. And let's pop the back real quick. Back look a lot, 100% better. These seats is coming out also, so don't trip. But yeah, the back look 100% better. And we will be doing this. This build on single cam and boosting it. Power will be around like 250, 260. But anything over 200, I'm happy with. So 215, 220, I'll be completely happy. But yeah, so that's the hatch. Just a little update on where we at. Waiting for more parts to come. Ordered a couple other parts besides the ones that's already got here. So right now we're waiting on the head gasket, ARP head studs, fuel rail. Already have the fuel regulator, and soon We just have to get to like a machine shop, so I can get that piece of booger in the manifold cut out. I don't even care about the other side. It's just I don't want anything in the runner. And then I'm gonna take that that berry bush, that hone, and hit the cylinders. I would do it right now, but I want that piece out, and that piece right there will eat the hone up really, really bad. So I don't want to do that. So yeah, just a little update on where I'm at, and we're gonna be doing this. I'm gonna cover everything, how much I paid for. For the part, and the cheapest we can go daily single cam and be reliable. Have some fun, but be reliable. So this your boy SR Rico, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all. Peace.